How do I make money with Claude AI? Forget the AI side hustle videos. I'm not selling prompt packs, and I'm not telling you to vibe code an app over the weekend and wait for money to fall out of the sky. I'm going to tell you what I actually did, because it's still happening right now, in real time, on my laptop. I spent 26 years in the art industry, in the cleaning industry, and in the building website industry. I built a client base in Ballarat with the cleaning industry over 12 years. I also have a fine art degree and career spanning 26 years of time with commissions for multiple people, artwork that I sold to Black Bear, an American musician. I've been published in Vogue, House and Garden, and The World of Interiors. Two completely different worlds, but both of them taught me the same thing. The platforms and industries built around these workers and creatives are broken. They take huge cuts. They exploit the people doing the actual work, so I decided to rebuild them properly myself. Here's where Claude comes in. Not as a content generator, as the engine. I built Nest and Nurture Society, a cleaning platform in Australia, where the brand takes a flat $20 an hour, and the cleaner keeps a rest. No commission stacking, no racing to the bottom if you are a contractor. I built the whole thing, the booking system, the dispatch engine, GPS, check-ins, payouts, compliance tracking, with Claude doing the heavy technical lifting, while I directed the strategy, because I'm the one who actually knows what's broken in the industry from the inside. Then I took that same engine, live GPS tracking, auto status updates, in-app chat, instant payouts, verified badges, and reskinned it. Koyo Trade for tradies and business providers, service providers. Calls for GP home visits, the same 4 pillars, the same Next.js and Supabase and Stripe foundation, a completely different industry on top. One build, multiple platforms, because the underlying problem, middlemen taking too much from people doing real work, is the same problem across cleaning, trades, healthcare, NDIS, aged care, childcare. I've got the whole queue of these. This is the part nobody talks about. Claude didn't give me the idea. I had the idea because I've lived inside these industries and got burnt by them. What Claude gave me was speed. Things that I would have taken me months of learning to code or tens of thousands of dollars to outsource, I can build myself in days because I know exactly what I want and I can describe it precisely. Same thing with my art. I started Solene House after years of watching galleries and spending $20,000 on so-called representation over 2 years, and the online art platforms exploiting artists, taking huge cuts, no protection for your work, no say in how it's sold. So I built a platform with a flat 0% commission, image protection, and they get AEO website and marketing for free because I've built it all. They get resale royalties as artists, and people just can't screenshot your artwork and steal it, and bots can't steal it because I've created the grid. Again, Claude built it with me. But the reason it exists is because I spent 26 years getting frustrated by the alternatives. So if you're asking how do I make money with Claude AI, here's my honest answer. Claude doesn't make you money. Your knowledge does. If you spent years inside an industry and know exactly where it's broken and exactly what a fairer version would look like, Claude is the tool that lets you actually build that fairer version fast without needing a developer, a designer, or a team. The money isn't in asking Claude generic questions, it's in already knowing the problem better than anyone and using Claude to finally do something about it. That's it. No playbook, no buy this, just build the thing you wish existed.